Hi guys, the holiday season is just around the corner, which means that we'll spend a lot of time in parties with friends, families, celebrating summer, celebrating Christmas, the end of the year. And with that will come lots of foods and drinks and just the Christmas extravaganza. So it's a lot of fun. But if you've been trying to look after your wellness, or if you've worked really hard to reach your weight loss goal, or maybe you haven't quite reached your weight loss goal and now you're dreading that on top of the weight that you haven't lost yet, there's going to be all the extra weight that comes from Christmas and New Year. You know, the average Australian puts on about 1.5 to 3 kg over the holiday season. And you're kind of dreading that time and wondering what to do, what steps to take to minimize the damage. Well, I've got good news for you. So I'd like to invite you to a 4-hour free wellness workshop where we will focus exactly on that. We're gonna have a wellness talk, a wellness discussion about what are the reasons that we put on weight. We'll go over the 8 reasons that we put on weight, why it's so hard to lose that weight. We're gonna have tips of how to manage the holiday season to minimize the damage so you can keep your energy, you can keep your wellness, and also reduce that weight gain ballooning. Then we're gonna go on to our yoga mat, and yes, it's all free and it's all done via Zoom, so you don't have to leave your house. So then we're gonna hop on the mat, do some exercises, some specific therapeutic yoga exercise that will actually focus on tightening your digestion, tightening the stomach, reducing appetite, keeping you strong and tight, keeping your waistline tight. All of that to minimize those sweet cravings and that desire to eat more and more. And then to top it all off, we're gonna go into the kitchen, yes, via Zoom. And if you wish, you can cook with us. And prior to the event, you will get recipes and shopping lists so you can cook. If you don't wanna cook, that's fine for you to observe. But we will make healthy, plant-based, delicious plant-based, healthy dishes that you can eat during this period that are very simple to prepare, so you always have something healthy to fall onto. We can also make healthy desserts so you can enjoy healthy treats without the damage while still maintaining healthy. And you can actually cook with us if you like. So it's all free, it's all done via Zoom, so you can join us from anywhere you like, and you will feel so much empowered. Now, to top it all off, we are also going to talk about what can you do in the new year to get back on track very, very quickly, establish those good habits, lose the weight that you don't need, get those joints going, getting the energy back, because when we tend to overeat with all the foods of Christmas, a lot of times we end up with bad habits, we end up sluggish, we end up with all of those, lack of motivation. So we're gonna have a plan of how to get back into shape really quickly, because guess what? It's the number one resolution, New Year's resolution is always get back into shape and lose weight. So why not have a plan already now? Why wait for January? Because whatever you'll do over the holiday season, if you have a plan that you can jumpstart straight in January and get back on track, you will feel fantastic and you'll set yourself up strong and with direction for the new year. So I'm Mandakini. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you join us to this workshop. The details are below in the comments, and just register, and I look forward to seeing you. Look forward to sharing this journey with you. Bye for now.